What's going on, guys? Don is here. I'm in the middle of the project and I'm about to attach this solid wood tabletop to the apron rails. So I thought of having a quick video of how to attach this properly. There's a hardware that you can buy to attach this solid wood table, which is the figure 8, but you can make one of these buttons. You can use hardwood, but you have to consider the direction of the grain because it might break if you don't pay attention on it. Or you can use good quality plywood. In my case, I use this compact hardwood flooring, which is, I think, it's even better. And the way to attach this button is to make a slot at the apron rail that will fit your button like this. Then you'll just screw it directly at the tabletop. It should be pinch the apron rail slightly so they have a good connection. And before you screw the button directly into the tabletop, make sure that you pre-drill a hole slightly larger than the screw that you're going to use. And basically what the button does is make some room for the expansion and contraction of the hardwood. I'm just going to exaggerate it. When the wood expands, there's a room for it to expand because the bottom has allowance inside, so it can move like this back and forth. And also if the grain is in the direction, there's a room for it to move like this, but I'm just exaggerating it. It won't move that way. And if I loosened it up just for demonstration, you can see it's moving from left to right, and also there's a wiggle room back and forth. That's the way it should be. This bedside table is a perfect example of why you have to consider the expansion and contraction of the wood, because some don't pay attention on it. This table is made out of rosewood. It's an antique one. I'm going to restore it, and as you can see, there's multiple cracks on it because they restrain the wood from moving by putting some nails all over the side that won't allow the wood movement. Well, I think that was it, guys, and I just saw this method in some experienced woodworker, and I think it's a great method. I hope it helps, and thanks for watching.